Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, today I will be unboxing the Asos advent calendar. So if you would like to find out what's in this year's advent calendar from Asos, then just keep on watching. Before I actually open the box, there is a list of what's inside, but that's not fun. I always love opening advent calendars because it's like a present every single day. So it has the tab on the side. It is a cardboard box. Ooh, but once you open it, if I can, it is, ooh, once you take it out of the box, it's in this plastic acrylic drawer. I like it. I'm going to store my makeup in this. And the boxes look super cute. Thumbnail. So the first box I have is number 1, of course. And I have the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA. Ooh, very nice. I am a big fan of The Ordinary as a company. That's really, really nice. Okay, let me put that to the side. Time for box number 2. It is very, very light, yet it is very big. So let's see what I have in here. It is a sponge from Spectrum. You can never have too many sponges. Number 3. It's quite light, but ooh, okay, let's see. It is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask. I actually did a review on this. You'll find it up here. It's actually not a bad face mask. I can't remember what it smells like, but I feel like it has the pomegranate smell, but I might be wrong. It is quite nice. I just think it's a little bit expensive. And finally, the bigger one at the front. Oh, this could be a good one. Also love the packaging. Ooh, another face mask, I think. Never tried Glam Glow in my life, and this is the Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask. I'm probably gonna give it to my sister because she has dehydrated skin, so this would be a nice gift, like a stocking filler. Number 5 is this beautiful zebra with like a purpley lavender background and black and like grey. I like that one too. The packaging on these is so good. Oh, another mask. This one is from Dr.Jart and it is the Vital Hydra Solution Deep Hydration Sheet Mask. I heard loads of good things about Dr.Jart, so I'm excited to try this. And we are almost halfway there. Let's take out number 6. It is just a pink carton. I'm guessing it's a lipstick. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it is not. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. Oh, it is the This Works spray that helps you sleep at night. I do actually wonder what it smells like. Just as I thought. It's lavender. I don't mind lavender, but I might again give it to my sister. She does have trouble sleeping at times. Again, any advent calendar is like a perfect opportunity to get loads of items, loads of little things that you can stuff stockings with. Number 7 probably has the best carton out of all of these. I don't know why, but it's so simplistic and I love it. Seems quite heavy, so let's have a look. Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Scrub Fix. I love Nip and Fab. I love the glycolic wipes that they have from this range, so I'm sure this is great as well. Time for number 8. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, something very neon. Ooh, Dr. Paw multi-purpose soothing balm with natural paw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. Fragrance free. I like the packaging. It's so neon. As you can tell, I like colour. And yeah, it does worry me that it's half full. Like the product is sitting about here. Dr. Paw, fix your packaging, please. Number 9 is an orange box. And again, it looks like it might be some kind of lipstick, but it isn't. It is the Mascara Revolution. I highly recommend this mascara. This is probably like my second favourite after L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Number 10 has like squiggles and faces on. I actually like it. It's very abstract. Again, one of the thinner boxes. I'm not going to guess lipstick because I got it wrong over and over again. Ooh, yes. Wow. I got the Florence by Mills. Love the packaging. I have never tried anything from Florence. If you don't know, Florence is Millie Bobby Brown's makeup line, and this looks like it's a brow gel. I'm pretty sure they are tinted. Oh, this is just a clear one, but I was hoping the product was in the longer portion. Not a lot in there, but the wand is really nice. Ooh, excited to try this. Number 11 is yet again a nice zebra. This time it is green. Big box, but very light. So, oh, it is a pair of double wispies from Ardell. I love Ardell wispies. These are the like double ones, so they like almost double stacked. Never tried these in my life, and this does have the free duo adhesive, which is quite nice. This will be your gateway to false lashes. Last but not least, number 12. And this, for the carton, seems to be pretty heavy. I got a bronzer from NARS. This is Laguna bronzer from NARS. Obviously a mini one, but it does look pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Although it might not be for me, because I do see like the tiniest little hint of a glow, so I might give this away. Alright you guys, I have unboxed all the 12 boxes in the Asos Face and Body Advent Calendar. I am now going to go off camera, add up all the prices and see whether it was worth buying the Advent Calendar, whether I have saved some money or did I get scammed. So let me do that really quickly and I will be right back. Okay, let's get this show on the road. The order of these will be completely random. I can't remember which one was first, second, third, whatever. But I'm going to give you all the prices of the products that I got. The Ordinary Moisturiser is £5. The Spectrum Sponge is £5.95. Dr.Jart face mask is £5.50. The Ardell Wispies are £3.99 from Savers. This Works Sleeping Spray is £6 for this size. Glam Glow face mask is £8. The Mascara Revolution is also £8. Surprisingly, the most expensive item in this advent calendar, the Florence Brow Gel, is £14. The Sand and Sky mask, I worked out basically roughly by the grams how much you pay for the big size and how much you would have to pay for this. Turns out it is about £10. Dr. Paw Balm is £4. The Nip and Fab Scrub is £6. And again, similarly to the Sand and Sky, I worked out how much you would have to pay for this travel size of NAS, and it is £12.78. I couldn't find the travel size for whatever reason. All the prices of the items that I got in my advent calendar add up to £89.22. Okay, so I have to pause there and do a voiceover because I miscalculated this completely. I was looking at the wrong screenshot. There were two advent calendars from Asos, one for £35 and one for £75. I thought I bought the one for £75, but I didn't. I bought the £35 one. Like I said, the items in my box roughly added up to £89.22, and since I paid £35 for the box, it means I ended up saving £54.22, which is absolutely crazy. Unfortunately, this box is currently sold out, but if it ever does restock, I highly recommend it to you guys. But carry on watching because the next couple of clips are very exciting and I think you might enjoy them. This was a nice save, but most importantly, yes, I am doing yet another giveaway. I have decided that I'm going to give away a couple of the items that I got in the box. So I'm going to give you a Spectrum sponge. I don't need to have that sponge. I have sponges that I enjoy using, so it is absolutely fine if I don't have this one in particular. I'm also going to throw in the Ardell Wispies. These are so good, and you have to try the duo glue. It is the best glue for lashes. I'm also going to give you the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA. I don't need a moisturizer. I have the ones that I love, so you can start your skincare routine with this. Speaking of skincare, I've already tried it. It's a nice mask, so I'm gonna give you an opportunity to try it out as well. One of my favorite mascaras. I want you to try it as well, so that's going in the giveaway as well. And most importantly, the thing that I'm sure every single one of you will be super excited about, I would be excited about this. I'm gonna give you the NARS Laguna. The NARS Laguna bronzer. It is a travel size. It is a smaller size. It looks like this. It is quite a nice shade. I reckon it would bronze up a fair medium skin tone. You can enter whether you're deep, fair, medium, whatever. You can always donate this if it's not for you. All the details on how to enter the giveaway will be in the description box, so make sure to read that. But for now, I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You are the best, and I hope to see you next time.